Use of has in sentences. She has a beautiful frock. She has a beautiful frock. He has a comfortable car. He has a comfortable car. He has a new house. He has a new house. He has storybooks. He has storybooks. She has vegetables in her garden. She has vegetables in her garden. My brother has a weekend holiday. My brother has a weekend holiday. She has free time. She has free time. She has new clothes. She has new clothes. My baby has a pet. My baby has a pet. Her child has toys. Her child has toys. She has a new friend. She has a new friend. Uncle has a packet of sugar. Uncle has a packet of sugar. She has a new food recipe. She has a new food recipe. She has short hair. She has short hair. He has expensive clothes. He has expensive clothes. She has a kind heart. She has a kind heart. She has more friends. She has more friends. He has a big traveling bag. He has a big traveling bag. He has a deep voice. He has a deep voice. She has good students. She has good students. She has new clients. She has new clients. Thank you so much for watching. If you improve your English from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.